What's up, my culinary time travelers? I'm stoked to show you how we rocked breakfast in the 1980s with this bodacious egg and bacon pie. Let's go, because this recipe is about to take you on a tubular taste adventure. First up, we need some righteous ingredients: 6 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 8 slices of crispy bacon, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 pre-made pie crust, and a gnarly pinch of salt and pepper. Now let's get prepping, dudes. Crumble that crispy bacon. It should sound like you're crushing a bag of Doritos. That's how you know it's perfect. Line your pie dish with that pre-made crust, because let's face it, even in the 80s, we knew some shortcuts were totally worth it. It's like using a cheat code on your Nintendo, but for cooking. Alright, rad cooks, it's time to assemble this totally awesome pie. Sprinkle that crumbled bacon and shredded cheese into the pie crust. Don't be shy, the 80s were all about excess. Pour the egg mixture over the top, making sure it's evenly distributed. Now pop that bad boy into a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 35-40 minutes. While it's cooking, why not bust out your Walkman and listen to some Duran Duran? When the pie is golden brown and a knife inserted in the center comes out clean, it's time to feast like it's 1985. This pie is so good, it'll make you want to moonwalk like Michael Jackson.